Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll explore how to control who can see your phone number on the BOTIM app. Protecting your privacy is important, and BOTIM gives you simple options to decide who can view your number. First, open the BOTIM app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Then, tap on Phone Number. You'll see an option that says, Who can see my phone number? Under this option, you can choose between several settings. You can select Everyone if you want all users on BOTIM to see your number. Choose My Contacts if you prefer only people you've saved in your contact list to see it. If you want more control, pick My Contacts, except to hide your number from certain people. Finally, select Nobody if you want to keep your number completely private. Choose the setting that best fits your privacy needs and comfort level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.